Welcome to my channel. My name is Alma. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me today. Subscribe if you haven't, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for your support. This is a look I created today. If you would like to see how I did it and what I used to create it, stay tuned and watch my video. Thank you guys so much. The makeup I already used, I obviously already did my foundation. I prime with this one. This is the Sephora Smooth and Blur. And on top of that, I'm using this foundation, the L'Oreal True Match. And for primer, I use the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. Yes, let's get started. I already did my brows. My lids are set. And today, the palette I'm going to be using today is going to be this one, the Malibu Barbie. Okay, so I'm getting ready for a little gender reveal, little gathering, dinner slash family moment. You know, it's just a small gathering. And I wanted to share this with you because I'm super excited. Today, I find out if I'm having a grandson or a granddaughter. I predict girl, team girl. That's why I'm wearing the pink shirt. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a girl. I don't know. I just feel it. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I'll be shocked if it's a boy, but I think it's a girl. Okay, yes, I am super sick. I don't know what. I don't know. Me and the baby just 3 days ago, we just crashed out of nowhere. It just hit us. So we're dealing with it right now. And today I'm probably the worst out of the past couple of days. And I'm hanging in there. She's hanging in there. If anything, she's good. Like, she wants to go to the park. All right, so now that my lids are primed, I'm going to go ahead and pull out this palette. I'm going to go in with Make Waves. This one right here. It's like a light mustard color, like a brownish color. And I'm just going to place it as a transition color right here. I'm going to go all the way up almost to my brow. It's a really neutral color. I don't want to do pink on my lids because I don't want to overdo it. I already have pink on my nails and I think it's too much. So we're just going to keep it neutral on the eyes. Okay, now I'm going to get a different brush. This is more pointier, stiffer brush. And I'm going to get the darker brown here. It's called Zuma Beach. This one right here. It's a darker brown. So I'm going to pick that up. And I'm going to place it out here. And swirl it in. Okay, now I'm going to pick up my smudge brush and I'm going to get that darker shade of brown. And I'm going to do the same thing I did on the top to the bottom. So I'm going to place it on my bottom lash line. Okay, so I'm going to pick up this color right here. It's all broken, I know. And I accidentally got some on my, I don't know. I didn't even know there was some on my finger earlier and I just accidentally put some on. Anyways, I'm just gonna, with my finger, place it on my lid. If you need, you can go with the Fix Plus and a brush just to make sure it sticks. But I feel like it'll be fine. Okay, so I want the outer area to be a little darker, so I'm gonna pick up a even darker brown. This is the palette I'm using. It's the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and the color I'm using is this one called Punk. It's this brown one right here. So I picked that up and then I put some on the bottom lash line. And I'm just placing it on. And then I'm gonna get a pointy brush. This one will do. This was a Real Techniques, and it's very pointy and like flexible, so it's perfect for blending. So I picked more of the brown and I'm just placing it on the outer V area to make it stand out. Just a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna use this mascara. This is the Maybelline Define a Lash. Okay, I did my mascara, and now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. And I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible. So let's do it. I'm just doing a little bit under my eyes. I'm gonna use the sponge to blend it out. Now that I've finished blending my concealer, I'm gonna set it with my powder. This one is the True Match by L'Oreal. And for the contour, I'm gonna use this one, is Makeup Geek Tawny Bronzer with this angled brush. It rained, baby. Nobody's in the park. So I pulled out my powder brush. It has nothing on it. I'm just using it to blend out my contour and everything. And for the blush, I'm gonna pull out my Makeup Revolution blush palette, and I'm gonna use this one right here. I can't hear you. I'm talking to you. Oh, sorry. Now I'm gonna clean the stove. I know. So do you like all the time and all cat it's Lucy over there and time I think I like it too. And this concludes my look. The lip I'm wearing is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Superstay in the color Striking. I really love these so much. And now I'm gonna spray this on my face to make my makeup last all day. Oh, God. I feel like I'm running a fever right now. Okay, everybody. And this concludes my makeup look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I can't wait to do another one with you guys. Thank you for all of you who has been subscribing or have subscribed and are returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your support. And if you haven't subscribed, just do it. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys on the next video.